The sum of the first n terms of a sequence is given by s sub n equals 3n squared plus n, where n is natural numbers. Find s sub 4, s sub 5, and u sub 5. We do know s sub n minus s sub n minus 1 equals u sub n. For s sub 4, we will use this formula. 3 times 4 squared plus 4 equals 48 plus 4 equals 52. S sub 5 equals 3 times 5 squared plus 5 equals 75 plus 5 equals 80. Therefore, u sub 5 equals s sub 5 minus s sub 4 equals 80 minus 52 equals 28. For B, find u sub n. Since we do not know this sequence is arithmetic or geometric sequence, we cannot use these two formulas to work out this u sub n. You have to use this formula to figure out u sub n. This formula can apply to any sequence. So u sub n equals s sub n minus s sub n minus 1 equals 3n squared plus n minus every single n will be changed into n minus 1. 3 times n minus 1 squared plus n minus 1. We will work out this separately. 3 times n minus 1 squared plus n minus 1 equals 3 times n squared minus 2n plus 1 plus n minus 1. Distributive property 3n squared minus 6n plus 3 plus n minus 1. Combine like terms equals 3n squared minus 5n plus 2. Since we have negative sign before this parentheses, we need to change the sign of each term. 3n squared plus n minus 3n squared plus 5n minus 2 equals, combine like terms, 6n minus 2. They show that it's an arithmetic sequence. We have to prove u sub n minus u sub n minus 1 equals constant d to prove whether this sequence is arithmetic or not. U sub n minus u sub n minus 1 equals 6n minus 2 minus bracket every single n changed into n minus 1. 6 times n minus 1 minus 2. Distributive property 6n minus 6 minus 2 equals 6n minus 8. So we get 6n minus 2 minus 6n plus 8. Then combine like terms equals 6. Because so it's an arithmetic sequence. Let's go to question 2. The second term of an arithmetic sequence is 8. U sub 2 equals 8. The sum of the first fifth term of arithmetic sequence is 15. s sub 5 equals 15. Find the first term and the common difference. This is the formula for terms. So u sub 2 equals u sub 1 plus 2 minus 1 times d. Substitution. 8 equals u sub 1 plus d. S sub 5 equals 15. We will use this formula. So S sub 5 equals 5 over 2 times 2 u sub 1 plus 5 minus 1 times d equals 5 over 2 times 2 u sub 1 plus 4d. 5 u sub 1 plus 10d. S sub 5 is 15. Second equation. These two equations to form a system of equations. We can solve this system of equations by substitution or multiplication. Let's solve by multiplication times 5. Both sides. 40 equals 5 u sub 1 plus 5d. We try to get the opposite term. So we change the sign. Then we add together. 25 equals 5d. Then we divide it by 5 both sides. d equals -5. We will use the first equation to figure out u sub 1. So u sub 1 equals 8 minus d equals 8 minus -5 equals 13. Question 3. Find the sum of positive terms of the arithmetic sequence 87, 81, 75. From given this list, we know u sub 1 equals 87. Common difference equals 81 minus 87 equals -6. We will set up u sub n equals 0. To figure out this n, this is an arithmetic sequence. We will use this formula. U sub 1 is 87 plus n minus 1 times -6 equals 0. 87. We do distributive property. -6n plus 6 equals 0. 6n equals 93. So n equals 15.5. Since this arithmetic sequence is decreasing, when n equals 15, this u sub 15 greater than 0. When n equals 16, u sub 16 less than 0. Since we are looking for sum of the positive terms, which means we are looking for s sub 15 equals, we will use this formula. 15 over 2 times 2 times u sub 1, it's 174 plus 15 minus 1 times -6 equals 675. 4. The first 4 terms of an arithmetic sequence are 2a minus b, 4a plus b plus 7, and 4a minus 3b. Find a and b. For consecutive arithmetic sequence x, y, z, y minus x equals z minus y. So we have 2y equals x plus z. We will use this formula to work out this question. For the first three terms, this is x, this is y, this is z. So 2y equals x plus z. 2 times 2a minus b equals 2 plus 4a plus b plus 7. Simplify. 4a minus 2b equals 4a plus b plus 9. Cancel 4a both sides. Negative 3b equals 9. So b equals negative 3. Because these three terms are consecutive arithmetic sequence, we will use this formula to work this out. 2a minus b is 2a plus 3. 4a minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. 4a negative 3 times negative 3 is plus 9. 2 times 4a plus 4 equals 2a plus 3 plus 4a plus 9. Simplify. 8a plus 8 equals 6a plus 12. 2a equals 4. Then a equals 2. Let's check back. We got 2, 7, 12, 17. These four terms are arithmetic sequence, so we got the correct answer.